ase abatami b'ekisege cy'omwaka bw'ekiri 2052 kurwasorwa ngorwa South Nyanza nigo bono babekire kina ase ekegambero kigora ase county eyo eri yokoenekia konyora maiga yokonyora chibesa chinke kurwa ase serikali nene inse yomoroberio orudi nyumbani initiative okwana ase ekegambero ekyo nigo bono mwati boget Moses Mboya atebire buna nigo abatami abo kurwasorwa ngorwa Nyanza banyarte koba bakwegwa chibesa chiri buikomikera oyomo ekero korenganirwa n'abatami b'eki county chinde abo baeto chibesa goika chiri buchiminye egento bono batebire no kunderirwa ne serikali ase bayesabire ENG'ERIA na kubarigereria abuna chi county chinde muri kito Caroline Mausa agotumanya ase enchero y'obuikero.
Abatami b'ekisegi cy'omwaka bw'emchiri 2025 nigo bono besokire na kobeka ekina motu ekegambero gya Kisumu High Court eligosaba kwegwa chibesa korwa ase eserikali enene maega yekiri bagoteba buna no kounererigwa inse y'omoroberio orudi nyumbani initiative abo ase banyorere chibesa chitabwenereti.
I was on my way to Korwa to mention section number 23 of 2025.
Mr. Abande, I think it is not proper.
Yes. Good morning.
Korengana no mwari bagati oba Samarieta Moses Ombayo nigatebire buna goika bono nigo abatami abukurwa soro ngorwa Nyanza na boigo Western banyare konyora chiribu komichioka kobwekanirwa n'abatami kurwa sechi county chinde abo banyarite ko bakwegwa chibesa chiribu chiminye. Korengana no mo justice wekegambere kigia Kisumu Samarieta Joe Omido nigatebire buna nige kinekyo kirachiko bage gotegererwa naende chitariki 29 cy'omutienyo motangani cy'omwaka ogocha abo ase baigatebire buna nye chinseme chibere chikoba chikoigwana na mbachikogenderera nekinekyo bataligo chia kobwatia ogochika okoya.
The petitioner is the granted leave to file upon affidavit. The petitioner comes. The petitioners are granted leave and to file upon affidavit. Still to file on top within 30 days. And the respondents to avail a physical copy of the affidavit. And this matter will be mentioned on the 29th of January, if convenient, on which date then once I have all the documents, I'll give directions come to the decisions of that application. The application will then be reviewed on August 2025. But I will advise that the two of you, or the three of you, the other parties come on board, have a chat. And if you can agree that you go straight to the petition and forget about the application, this matter. But again, the parties discuss.
Korwa ase ekegambero gia Kisumu Law Court siginko reporter ya Mayane Soko TV. Erietaria ne Mausa Caroline.